Everyone, I'm ABC 13 meteorologist Elise Smith. Today is an ABC 13 weather alert day as we have the potential to see severe storms that are capable of producing tornadoes today. Let me walk you through what we're expecting here for your Thursday. The day after Christmas will be quite active. Early on this morning, I'm monitoring some areas of patchy, dense fog. We've seen a little bit of a breeze overnight and some light rain, so the fog is not as thick as what we initially thought it could be this morning. That's okay, though, because the main story is what's going to happen later in the day. By 9 a.m., we're going to start to see some showers and thunderstorms develop across southeast Texas. And by noon, this is when we could start to see those early strong to severe storms beginning to rotate, especially east of I-45. But everyone has to be on guard today, especially into the afternoon hours. It is prime for severe weather today. Then by 4 o'clock, we'll start to see a cold front move through. And this front, it's not going to be as tornadic, but it will still potentially produce severe storms with gusty winds and hail. This is the severe weather outlook for today. It's a category 2 out of 5 from the Storm Prediction Center. It's not a widespread severe event. We are likely going to see some isolated severe storms, but anyone today has the potential to receive that storm. And here is the tornado risk. This is what we're really highlighting today. This is what's different than what we had on Tuesday, Christmas Eve. We have spin in the atmosphere and in the low levels of the atmosphere that would allow for us to have a tornado form today. There is a 5% chance of seeing a tornado form near your house today here in southeast Texas. And the risks overall, let's lay it out, because these storms are also going to hold some heavy rainfall. So street flooding primarily east of I-45 is going to be a concern, especially in the second half of the day. Those thunderstorms in the second half of the day will also produce damaging wind gusts and some hail, but the tornado potential is what we're really trying to highlight today. So going on through Future Track this morning, we'll see a couple of spot showers, but here is 11 a.m. Already starting to see the chance for a few of those stronger individual thunderstorms developing as they push in from south to north. 2 p.m., this is when we could potentially see some of those rotating thunderstorms across southeast Texas. Now by 4 or 5 o'clock, you'll start to see this linear form of these storms stretching from Livingston all the way down to Victoria and closer to Matagorda Bay. That is the cold front moving in. That's going to also allow for some stronger storms to form along and ahead of the front, but that front will also clear us out later in the day. So by about 8, 9 o'clock, we should be clear of the severe weather risk for the day. And today is really the big day you need to know over the next 10. We do have another chance for a few thunderstorms on Saturday now, since the timing of the system is a little different. We move that rain chance to Saturday. A very warm end to the year until a cold front moves through and that cools us down heading into 2025.